Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Hey everybody. So another hedge trimmer came in with this problem, and I thought, you know what, this has happened enough times to me now. I have to do a video. This actually warrants a video now. Your blades don't move on your hedge trimmer. You just used it last week, you put it away, now you come out today and you rev it up and the blades don't move. Of course, so many people just panic about that and they go, oh, my gear case under here is blown apart, or there's something wrong with the engine now. Before you fly off the handle and start ripping stuff apart or take it into a shop, try this first. This happens more often than you think. Sometimes the blades get glued together with pitch, sap, whatever you want to call it. Take a little carb adjusting screwdriver, and easy, super easy to check this. Just put the screwdriver in like this and just try to pry those blades apart a little bit. Like that. See, they're free. Those blades separate a little bit and then spring back. Sometimes you will do that. You know, try it in several different spots on both sides of your blade if you have a double-sided blade. And sometimes you'll actually go, pry it, nothing happens, and then you pry it a little bit harder and it goes pop, and it just unglued that sap from sticking those blades together. That's what happened on this one right here. I fired it back up. Blades are moving absolutely fine. So make sure you try that absolutely the first thing, and if that is not the problem, then carry on with more troubleshooting. There are hedge trimmer sprays out there that you can spray the blade after every use, specifically for this problem. It cleans the blade, it lubricates the blade, and then you know that next time you go to start it up, it's going to work properly again. You don't have to do that, although that is a super easy fix. You don't have to do anything, just pop it apart again. If you want to see some of that spray, I have a link right in the description and the pinned comment of this video. Check it out, click on that link, and you see how cheap this stuff is. It's good preventive maintenance anyway. And I think that's all I got to say about that. I hope you like that, because it is something that I've seen many times now. Cheers, Steve out.